Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to create any strategies using ChatGPT and automate them using our Scalper. Okay, you need to subscribe a TradingView paid plan for doing this. Okay, so first open ChatGPT. And here I am going to create a strategy for moving average crossover. Okay, so type TradingView Pine script, TradingView code for moving average crossover. So trading view script for moving average crossover. Alert script. Okay. Here you see the script for strategy. I need indicator. Okay. So type indicator. So it will give the script for trading view indicator of moving average crossover. Okay. So just copy this code and Pine editor. Click Pine editor and paste here. Okay. Okay. Create new indicator and paste and save. Okay. And add to chart. Here our script is added. Now click add alert and here we see bullish crossover and bearish crossover. So bullish crossover means C. We are going to place C order when bullish crossover occurs. Okay, so go to our scalper and enable TV, and here you see option for CE buy and PE buy. I have copied CE buy and paste here. Okay, in this script I will change the quantity to 10. Okay, everything is okay, and just click and make sure you have added our webhook URL here and enabled webhook URL. Okay, created. Now our script for C order is created. Next I will create P order, add alert and bullish bearish crossover, and here just P by copy code and paste here, and I am changing the quantity to 10. Okay, done. Now it will place order when C order when the bullish crossover occurs and P order when bearish crossover occurs. Okay, I have given enabled SL and target with SLS10 and target as 20 for both CE and PE. Okay. Okay, now the bearish crossover occurred and order is placed. You can see here, you see the position details. Okay, our C strategy is triggered now. Okay, I hope you understand how to place orders, how to automate strategy using TradingView and ChatGPT. Okay, if you have any queries or suggestions, please let me know in comments. Please join our Telegram group to get more information about the software. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.